Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing all right. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little pack with me. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as I get my bags together. We are going to Denver, Colorado tomorrow, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited for cooler weather, for just a sweater, you know, a jacket, you know, because if you don't know, I live in Florida and it's hot. Still very, very hot. Very excited for the cooler weather. I need to pack some sweaters, and I mean sweaters, like I'm only gonna be there for 2 days, but in my mind, I need like sweaters and scarves and, you know, all that kind of stuff, but I don't need that. But I am gonna pack it just in case. So I'm gonna get some sweaters, and I don't think I'm gonna take a scarf or anything, but I'm gonna take some jeans, and I have a few outfits in mind. I don't have like everything, but we're gonna go in my closet and look around and see what I can find. I'm not fully sure. I'm not fully sure what I'm gonna do. Which I'm laughing because we leave in what? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. We leave in 6 hours. And I'm not ready. I'm not ready at all. It's 9:23. We have to get up at 3:50 so that we can get to the airport. Our plane leaves at 6, so we gotta get to the airport. And this is probably the latest that I've waited to pack, but it's fine because it's just a short trip, so I should be able to do it quickly. I don't know, I can't even believe myself. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I would love to have you a part of the family, you know? So let's just get right into the video. All right, so we're in my closet, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm taking. So I think, oh, why are these up here? I don't know. They shouldn't be, but they're there. So I think I'm gonna take these black jeans. I think I might take this too. It's like a sweater short set. I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but just in case. Just in case. All right, what else am I gonna take? Oh, this t-shirt. This t-shirt. What am I gonna sleep in? I don't know. Falling from the sky, falling from your hand. Is it the skies or is it any plant? Night clothes. We're only gonna be there for 2 nights, so I think. Should I just bring one? Okay, I don't know. Let's go see what I have so far. Well, no, shoot. My other clothes are in the washing machine, so let's get that. So I'm thinking what I need to do is probably just sort out the outfits, because why do I always do that? I need to sort out the outfits and see what the heck I'm gonna be putting together, pairing, you know, just to make sure that I have the other hand. Just to make sure that I have everything I need. So let's go ahead and figure out what outfits I'm gonna wear. I've got a few outfits together. First, this short set that I told you guys about already. And then this is for Saturday. It's supposed to be cloudy that day, and this is like my favorite sweater. It's so cozy. So I'm gonna have that and probably some biker shorts. I'm not really sure if it's gonna be super cold, so I also have leggings. You know, I like options. This is like a lounge around kind of outfit. It's like just some shorts, gray shorts, and this like brown beige crop top. I can sleep in this as well. It's just like an extra outfit to have, just to have. And then this is night clothes. Showed you that already. This is my Be Different shirt from Harold's Godbrother. That's why we're going to Denver. He is having a concert, and so of course I gotta have my Be Different shirt. So I got that with some black jeans, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna pair it with this like oversized checker shirt. I think that'll be cute, and this is just what I'm gonna wear to the airport in the morning. What I really need to do is, my husband is, I don't even know, he's playing video games and he's just very loud. So anyway, I don't know if anyone else is like me, but I have to go through in my head just like what I'm gonna be wearing. I have to see myself in it, and if I can't see myself in it, I will just like try it on. But all these outfits I've really worn before. That's a lie. All of these outfits I think will look fine, but I'm just trying to make sure I have enough things for each day. So when we get there early in the morning, that's going to be tomorrow, I'm going to have my airport outfit on. And then I'm probably going to shower, and then I'm going to need to wear something else. And I'm thinking I'm going to put on this sweater and short. I hope this isn't in the way. I'm going to put on this sweater and short combination here. The sweater with this matching outfit. I think that'll be fine. I think I might pack one more like jean and t-shirt kind of combination, because I'm not sure if we're going to do like dinner or something like that. So, but I mean, this is nice enough for dinner. Or maybe I should just pack jeans and wear the sweater with it. I think that's a good idea. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get another pair of jeans. And then, so that's for the first day, and then have night clothes. And then the second day, what am I doing? I don't know what we're doing, but I'm going to wear that gray sweater and biker shorts or leggings depending on the weather. And that's fine for the whole day. And then that night I'm going to wear the jeans and this, and then I need another outfit for the airport, because we are leaving Denver at like 1 a.m. So awesome. Anyway, we're leaving at 1 a.m. So basically we're going to leave the concert and then go to the airport. So I need to figure out, what am I going to wear? What am I going to wear? I mean, I could just wear the same airport outfit. Do I want to do that? No. I think I'm going to have an option. I already have these leggings, which I really don't think I'm going to wear them. So, have those, and then all I need is another t-shirt. So, the only thing I need now is another t-shirt and some jeans. I think. That's what I'm going to get. Okay. I decided to bring this shirt. I've worn a million times, and these jeans I've also worn a million times. Okay, so now what I need to do is actually pack everything and make sure it fits in my carry-on, because I mean it should, but when you have like bulky stuff like this, it doesn't fit as nicely as it usually would. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in the suitcase. Alright guys, as you can tell, I'm ready for bed, girl. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. I actually went ahead and I packed my toiletry bag, which I didn't realize that I don't have certain things like in travel size, so as I said earlier, I'm not prepared, but it's fine. I'm going to just get it when I get there. No big deal. So I got that packed away, and then I am waiting on like a few things to get finished drying and put in my bag, and then I'll be finished and I'll be ready to go. Am I gonna sleep tonight? I don't know. It's past my bedtime. I've had too much water, and I don't know. I had to do my eyebrows, so I did that, and I'm just hoping that I don't oversleep. That's the thing. If I go to sleep, do I want to go to sleep? Absolutely. But am I going to make it there? I don't know. Harold is still playing video games, so I don't know. I don't know if he's going to bed or not. I don't know. Well, but if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I would love to have you guys part of the family. And I guess I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye.